Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as miners, gold, copper, silver, crude, Bitcoin, US30 using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this week analysis little bit early, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I have written. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So why I'm doing this Friday? Because I'm out of station from tomorrow. So as I said, informed early last week also, but this movement will be a little bit, what I'm expecting is a correction. So that is what I need to do this week. So without fail. So let's move on to our, 1 second. Yeah. This is our watch list. Starts from DXY and end with a gold. So DXY, it's already breached the 109 and my target was got achieved from the previous 15 days before itself. But even though it is doing very aggressive in the bullish formation. So let's move on to the DXY first. Yeah. And here it's looking like the previous wave count. It is still I thought this 1-2 from here I'm expecting like this kind, right? Triangle, and then it has to shoot like this kind of wave formation, but it did like this. And after that I keep on explaining the DXY in the previous uh, update also. In the Euro USD I updated. So this could be the wave 4 and we are in that 1 second. Yeah, this could be the wave 4 and this is not a triangle now. So this is an irregular flat formation of running flat, and now this could be the wave 1 and this is the wave 2. It's a bigger one, bigger 2 in that fifth wave, and later onwards we can do it in this blue color. So this is also just, and I already informed that this is the possibility what I'm explaining. So this is the 2 and later onwards this is the 3. Yeah, here is the 3 and this is the 4 in running flat and fifth is got completed. And for this, the whole thing is the third wave. It's a green color. And this is the irregular flat formation, is the 4. And this is the 1, it's 5 got achieved. So as per the here, it's looking like the 5 wave structure is got completed. So that means in the bigger picture of the 4 hours, still it's already, it is showing like it's completed. And as per my wave count and as per my view, here is the 4th. So if we kept here, exactly it is above 100 and it is already reached the 1272, nearly 1618 also. And here if you look in that daily or weekly chart, it's okay. Here I already explained my view is 109 to 110. In the past, everything I have already clearly mentioned that, right? So this is the achievable target what I have explained. So now the positional is entirely different part, right? This is the positional wave count what I had updated in the trading view and other some forums. So now this is the bigger picture. Forget about this bigger picture, and this is looking like 5 wave structure is going to end, or it could be a little bit extended also. So as per now, if this is we kept, this is the 4 and fifth wave already got completed. But sometimes what it will do is again if it shoots like this, again one more 5 wave structure. So we need to calculate this could be the end of the 4th and 1 2 3 4 5. So it keep extending. So this is the final wave count what I'm looking for. So in the daily picture, it's a clearly seen the 5 wave structure, and if we kept this as a Fibonacci Fibonacci retracement, it is nearly to the 1.414 between this one 272 and 1414. And why I'm looking this is, this is the one. So simply I will explain again if you are a new watcher to my channel for the previous analysis what I have explained here. So why I am looking like this kind of structure. So, and one input I need to give you. So that is a beautiful structure. It's a fractals. The same structure. It's the same structure. Nothing different in that. It has already happened in one major currency. So that is not a major. You can make it that is USD versus SGD. It's a Singapore dollar. I will show you that same structure. What it happened here is exactly it broken the previous high, and from here itself it came down. And I already expected it is exactly, and again it bounced. So just we will go through that USD SGD. And previous I was already done this kind of analysis, and later onwards I quit the analysis. See, look at this. We will just copy this, and I will show you that from here. This is a magical. That is why I love the technical analysis. Look at this. Yeah, one second. Yeah. So this is the bar pattern, right? After this, it came down. You just remember this. After this structure, it came down. So here. So this is the one as a running flag, or whether it could be a triangle also. So that means I took it this as a W, X, and Y. So if it is in the formation of a three-way structure, this could be A, B, C, D, and one more three-way structures to the E. So this becomes the bigger picture, and then it could be a triangle. So you forget about this analysis. I'm just copying. Yeah, look at this. I just copy this, the same pattern, right? And we will move on to the DXY. And I'm just pasting this, right? Look at this. That is the beauty. Because previous, I keep on watching this, one of my friend in the business. So I keep on watching this one, right? Look at this. This is the one. Exactly same it is doing. So even USD SGD, right? This could be that leading. Look at this. This is the A. So this is the B. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Later onwards, this is the 1A. This is the B. Here it is the B. Look at this. Here, this is the B. So this structure exactly here, this structure. And it is already broken the previous high. After this, look at that USD SGD. What happened here? This one. So I'm looking like this formation in DXY. So whether it may or may not, but I'm just keep on the previous analysis, previous structure fractals, and I observe my mind, my eyesight catches the same structure I had seen in some pattern, some currency. So I found out, and thus I presented here. So now I'm expecting that same kind of drop, nearly 94 to 96. I'm expecting this 95. That could be the major support zone here. So I'm expecting a drop. So that is the positional. So as of now, for that kind of positional, here the structure need to complete. So whether it is going to complete here, or it could be maybe here, if it is an A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, C, Z, it could be like that also as per my previous analysis. So it could be anything. So I'm looking for this kind of wave structure. But this could be the end of the trend also in the correction, in the double correction. So A, B, C is a W, X, and this could be that A, B, yeah, this could be the y and x. One second, I confuse myself. Yeah, this is the w x y, and this is the one x a b c, and this is the z. The previous was like that. So anyway, I'm looking for the downtrend. Not from here, it won't shoot in my idea, in my experiences. So be on buy side in the dollar. And one more thing here is in the dollar, this one, yeah. See, this is, it's not at 1272, but in DXY it's already crossed beyond that 1272. So if the euro USD, if you look into this, and I already shared my analysis in the intermediate, I think in the 2 3 days before, I expecting this one 1.9 I expected. But what it happened, look at this. That is why expecting this as a target, not to be in buy side. I every time I just keep on informing that expecting the pullback, no need to be in buy side, but where we are, not to be in sell side. If you are not in the sell side, making this as a stop loss, have to be in sell side if you need to catch this one. But even though, see, look at this, I expecting this kind of three-way structure, and it is not yet done. So whether still it's looking like we are in that still in the fourth wave. So it is not either in the five-way structure, it is not completed. Here, look at this. This is also the three-way structure. Clearly, it's a three-way structure. And here also the three-way structure. Here also it's looking like a three-way structure. So A, B, C, and what it will happen like this, and one more, and then it will do like this. So this will become the running triangle later onwards. Or this is the end of the fourth wave also. One more five-way structure. I'm waiting to buy again. I already bought here and booked the profits, and immediately I booked the profit in the three-way structure. So I'm expecting either this could be a triangle, or it could be a this is the end of the fourth wave, and we can expect one more downside. So that means I'm DXY can reach above again. So that's still there is an incompletion of that pattern here. But if this is the end of the trend, in somewhat it's a diagonal pattern, it's ABC1, ABC is a 2, so ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. This is the end of the trend in case, because there is a lot of possibilities like this kind. It's already shown in that AUD, NUD. It's like the same kind of formation. See, this is because we kept this is a fourth wave. So somewhat here it's a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, or ABC is a 4. Somewhat here it's going to complete. It's going to complete. But 1, look at this, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 also in some cases. That is why I already drawn this trend line, bearish trend line. So anyway, if we no need to catch the exact bottom, but sometimes if it is a V reversal, like where it drops and again it will bounce and it will break that anchor, and then if it gives the pullback, you can make this as a stop loss and enter here. It's very easy to explain here, and I know that difficult to enter the trade. And if it is doing like this, again if it is retested this anchor, again you can make this as a stop loss, but you need to take risk in this zone, because as of now it could be the end of the trend, or one more low is also possible to that 9850 or 9750 according to here the Fibonacci retracement. It's nearly from here to here. Fibonacci retracement is a 1 2, yeah, oh, sorry, yeah, it's already there. Yeah, nearly it's a 9752. So within this range, if it comes, I will be definitely in the buy side, looking for that catch this C wave. It will took nearly maybe the C wave. What I'm explaining here, it is a C wave, so it will be so aggressive also. and here it took nearly 19th December to 12th 17th January and 18th January. It took nearly 1 year, but in this case it will took 6 months also. Maybe it will took, because this is a weekly chart. So either it could possible like this, or again it will do like this, and this is the completion. Because why I'm explaining this could be the reversal means we are expecting this, and from here if you took that sell, we are expecting this. Sometimes market will shoot from here itself to break the high also. Why it is happening? The same thing it happened. I will show you that. That is in that soybean oil. Look at this one. I thought this is the one, right? So somewhat it's not yet broken this low. So what I thought here is, okay, this is the one A. So this is the one A, B, and C. So I'm expecting this one more running flat, or it could be an expanded flat, and expecting this low. These are all the mistakes. It's not a mistake. This is a possibility also. So expecting this, where we are. Look at this, where we are. You just remember that. It's all institutional. What we are, everybody is telling, right? Institutional or big players. These are the buy zones. This is the demand. So these are all the supply zones. Look at this. These are all the supply zones. And what happened? It came down immediately. Again, it should. So clearly, it's looking like 1, 2, 3. So this is still looking like ABC or whatever it is. And here it is seeing the three-way structure. Again, I'm looking for one more way to the high. So that will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the ZL. So that means we consider what I thought, if it comes down, that analysis is positive. So my view will be valid. But market, what it did? So if you short here, you may get loss, and if you playing the stop loss, if you placed, that's fine. If not placed, like me, so I won't place any stop loss, but don't try, you guys. So like this, market will shoot from here also. So be careful in selling side. Market is where we are. Look at this. This is in the December 16th, right? January 17th. Make it January 17th. It's almost 5.5 years low. So where it is going, whether this could be the end of the trend in this zone, I'm looking for 96650 or 9750. These are all the demands on what I'm expecting in my view. So DXY, one second, I will show you the Euro USD. Yeah, look at this, 9.5. So here, this zone, right? So 9.8 here, here, here. So these all that demand zones in my view. So within this zone, it can be bounced. So whether this is a reversal, I didn't know, or this is the connecting wave is got completed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I have already did that analysis. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this is the W, this is the X, and this is the Y is got completed. 1A or W, whatever it is. So whether this correction is got completed or it is going to be a little bit complex corrections, can't say. So this is, if this is the valid one, it will come downside. But previous what I did, this is the one A, B, C is the W, and this is the X. So A, B, C is the Y, and again this is the Y, this is the X, A, B, C, Z. So that is also the three-way structure is got completed. 1, 2, 3, and again is the 1, 2, 3 in the expanded flat, and this is the 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, connecting wave, 1, 2, 3. So this is also valid when the market, if it shoots like this, we will calculate and we will put the wave count like this. But market, if it did like this, there is an opportunity, this is a possibility. The last week also I said this is a possibility. This is not the one, right? But market has to validate my wave count. So my view, it can be anything, but I will be in my side. But the question, bigger question is, if dollar index is getting weaker and dollar is going to lose his strength, so then my target for the gold, the silver, it is not at silver almost it is achieved, it's $18 almost. I thought it could be breaking up below the $11 also, but that is an optional. And gold, I'm looking for that 1400, 1500 within that. But whether it is possible or not, it's a question mark. And what about the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar? I'm looking for to break this one, but whether the DXY is already dead. So what happened to my target? This is a question mark. So I also looking very eagerly like you. So I don't know what will be the market it will do. But even though if this is the one, what I am looking for again one more low, if that is also valid means, so how we have to label this one? It's a big question. So as of now, I don't. This is the one possibility I am explaining. But market, you know very well about the market, right? So if it is not at bounced and it just keep draining in the diagonal formation a lot, so we have to finish with that previous wave count. So this is my detailed analysis. It's almost how many? It's 21 minutes I did for only DXY and Euro USD. You just have a look and what I given the input. So you just remember all those things. So GBP USD is also not it. So these are all the patterns. See, look at this formations. It's not at close. This is the one in this month. If it is close below this, so why not we can see below this one, my target? So this is the one I'm expecting. So in GBP USD also looking like one. It's a wedge formation. It's doing everything. It is in the wedge formation. So I don't know whether it is going to shoot like what I have explained here. It's a fourth wave. Here I did fourth wave and one more ABC to the downside. It's possible. Or in the bigger picture, it's a A, B, C, D. And in the bigger previous structure, I have explained that in the previous video. So this could be the triangle. And it will break this low to make the positional fifth wave. If you're having that positional, you just go through my video. I already did that. So this is my analysis. From here it can reach to that yeah, it has to break this previous low. Look at this, 10545. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I'm looking for either triangle or it can reach from here itself. So still we having 1300 pips to the downside to break this one. So my target is first to break this one. So let's wait and watch. That's it. So let's move on to the next is USD. It's a very beautiful trade, and I looked for that breakout, and it is already did. And what happened here? And I'm not so convinced, and I'm not so confirmed here. Look at this. Why I'm not so confirmed and a little bit confused means, see, everything, these are all the clear, and I have already mentioned a lot of times. So this is the one A, R1, and ABC, A, so ABC is a B, so this is the one is a running flat. So this bigger picture is a 1, 2, and 3 is a running flat. So either it could be a B or 2, and we are looking for that C wave. I am looking for this zone to break here. But what happened? It's already came down. So I'm looking for at least this zone. I already placed that order at 1.29, but it is not yet reached and it is didn't trigger my buy. And immediately it bounced back. So here it's a beautiful 5-way structure. It's an impulsive wave. And here it's a 3-way structure. Beautiful 3-way structure. And already here I bought and booked the profit. Once it broke, what I did, I didn't book the profit. So looking for another 5-way structure here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm looking for this one, but it failed to make that 5-way structure. So immediately what I did here is, I just keep on watching this. Somewhat here it's looking like a 3-way structure. It is not yet completed here. Look at this 3-way structure. So this is the bigger 3-way structure. And we are in that downtrend. So if it did the 5-way structure, I will be in buy side, making this as a stop loss. That is the only one we have to do, because I have to, this one will be that running flat. So sometimes, lot of times I told you, right? So it can reach up to 1618 also, but that is not valid as per the Elliott wave theory, but the market is doing nowadays like that only. So for this impulsive wave, 1, 2, 3 A, 1, 2, 3 the WX, ABC. So this is the bigger A, BC is a A, ABC is a B, and we are in that C wave. Or it could be a W, this could be the X, A, B, C. So if it reached this one, look at this. And if you, yeah, it's looking like, right? It's already breached. 1 second. Yeah. So if it reached this zone, right? This is the consolidation zone. It can again, I'm expecting for the bounce. So either it is doing a 5-way structure or it is a 3-way structure. It is possible and it is also valid one. Right? So this is my analysis, but the stop is perfectly has to place here only. There is no to change the stop loss. But if I count in lot of wave also, that is also valid in the view wise. But the structure here it made, it's not like that. See, sometimes my mind, my eye says, if I hide this, this is the A, this is the B. So 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. So this is the 4 means we need 5 waves. It is not yet completed. So another my mind is trying to catch another wave count. So this is the A, this is the B, right? So 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, because these are all 5-wave structures. And if this is the 1 A, B, C, D, E, so if we make it this as a triangle also in the 4th wave, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves, but 5 waves also not yet completed the 5-wave structure. So this is the only one thing I'm having, no other possibilities here. I'm looking only for that upper trend. So if it is going higher, so what will be the next correlation to the next DXY and the next correlation to the US oil? So let's come to the next. And later I will show you that US oil. So USD, USD JPY. So that is also the beautiful. I took a sell, right? So I don't know whether I'm wrong or not, because why I'm taking as a sell. This is the 1. Somewhat here it's already 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th way is getting extended. So in that case, if this is the 1, this is the 2. So this is the 3 in the diagonal wave formation. This is the 4, and the 5th wave, right? So either A, B, C, D, E. From here, what I thought, okay, it is a 1. So this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, and this is the 5. So I don't know whether this is the right or wrong, but anyway, something it is suits me. Something it is saying, look at this. This is not above the 1. So making the stop loss above the 140.50, it's a valid. For the target here, what I'm looking for is at least 1 5-way structure to reach this zone. It's 131. It's achievable target in my view, but I don't know how many of them are, because expecting the fourth wave, if we are taking the sell and the trading in the fourth wave is a very dangerous, and it is confuses a lot of traders for the beginners. So if you are too good in the Elliott wave, somewhat I'm looking like this kind of wedge formation also here. So either it could be 1 2 3 4 5 is already got completed, or the whole thing is got completed. I'm not so sure, because if market is keep shooting there, and I will keep on changing these waveforms. But somewhat here it's looking like the wedge formation what I shown here. Somewhat here it's looking like brown wedge formation. So we need to at least take some risk here. So that is what I already did yesterday itself, and at 138.2 and 139.2 I took two cells now. Okay, so don't follow me blindly, and this is only for I have input the measure only for the educational purposes. And here also why I took at that 138.2, this is the one I need to explain, because this is the wave 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, and this is the triangle 4, and I already placed that cell here. It's already triggered and keep going on, nothing to worry, because I am already having the wave count, another wave count. So this is the wave count I explained. So let's wait and see this one, how it moves. Because in USD JPY, why I'm looking for that cell means in its correlation to DXY, Euro USD, AUD, everything I correlated. And if you look for that gold and silver also, my target of $18 is achieved in the silver. I'm in the buy. At 18,300 I am in buy. 18,340 something, 18.340. But I didn't done gold, because silver came down from $29 $30. It's almost 40%. But gold is not came down. If it is 2080, if it is a 40, right? 40% it came, right? Almost from $30 it reached $18 in silver. So almost came down. It's a $12, means 40%. So it only the $300 it came down. So and I took only the silver in buy. So let's wait for this. It's all correlating to that everything. It is not only the one part. So these are the one conclusion I got, right? So I'm in buy. Next, USD chef. So chef also I already explained here, right? 1 2 3, and I'm expecting this kind only the downtrend. It's not in the upper trend. I said this is not in the upper trend, because why? I'm already clear in my uh, view, because I'm having that positional wave count. This is the positional wave count. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are in the fourth wave. So either it has to break above, but it is not yet dead. So we are still struggling to break the previous high. So it could be a triangle. So in that category, so if we are in the triangle means this could be the A, what I explained. So this is the B. So what we reached is the C. It's a 1.075, and we are on the D wave. So if it reached here again one more E, after this is the completion of the fourth wave, and it will reach below this 6750. This is the one my target. So nearly 3000 pips is still there. So we need to make this as a stop loss. Exactly, if it reached here, the E wave will be the very smaller. So making this as a 1.035, yeah, it's around 300 pips or 400 pips. Looking for the 3000 pips, because if you are ready to lose the 300 pips, then only you can earn up to 1:10, right? So this is the one I'm looking for. I'm deeply concentrated in USD chef as well as in USD CAD. The both I'm looking for, and I want looking for that UJ, because USD chef has got more downside. So let's move on to the next is what else? Once again we will look on that watch list. So USD CAD, yeah, we need to go for AUD USD. Yeah, simply we can finish a little bit fast, because even though if we already delete the three pairs, it took nearly again 1 hour. So I'm just go through my analysis, right? I think so. See, this is a confusion I already explained several times, so I no need to do the more thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm expecting this one. So if this is the one valid, I'm looking for the three-way structure. So again, it can reach up to the 7, 6 also. But in sometimes, if this is not that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this could be that 4 and one more 5, it could be like that, or this is the A, B, C is the W, this is the one X, and Y is already completed. So if this is the end of the correction and we are looking for the downtrend, and it can do like this also, right? So if it did like this, so the whole thing become, in my view, it could be the expanded flat. So A, B, and C. So W, X, A, B, C, or W, X, again, Y. So this portion, this is the one impulsive, this is the correction, and one more impulsive to the downside. So be careful. So the same pattern, this kind of pattern happened, and New Zealand CAD is got achieved the target. So we will show you that also, and we will before that, NU, this is the one same pattern. So either this is the end of the correction and we are in the upper trend to break this, or again it will looking for this kind of pattern. So this whole thing becomes A, B, how I did in the Australian dollar. So this is the A, this is the B, and one more C wave. Or this is the ABC is the 1, ABC is the 2, A, B, C, the whole thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the A, B, and C is the third, fourth, and fifth. So this is also the possible. And the same thing, look at this, the same pattern, it is in the New Zealand CAD. Just we will move on that, because we are already deleted that, but even though we are just look at this same, and it is already broken the low, and again it bounced, and it is already did, and it broke the previous high also. So this is the expanded flat. After that, what I had written exactly did. So W, X, Y, simple. So even though if it is a V reversal, right, look at this, this is a V reversal, and it is already broken the anchor, and immediately it came down, and it is already broken, and my target of got achieved. So like that, the same formation it is doing here, A, B, C. And why not it may break, right? So I'm looking for that to validate my this one, but little bit confusion with the Euro USD and the DXY. So Euro USD, I'm looking for this. So why not Euro is more stronger than any other currency, so it can move very aggressively to trap all the retailers in buy. And Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and GBP USD, it's a little bit slow. Later onwards, it can trap all the retailers in the buy and immediately return to the south. So it's all not in my hand, it's just a view. So disclaimer, just read the disclaimer, right? So next is what we will see is the NZD. Yeah, it's already finished. So Euro New Zealand. So this is also, and I already explained that sometimes, see this kind of wave formation, right? This is the wave formation. So confusing me a lot, because we see whether the previous I told, right, making this as a stop loss, going for the sell, it's a beautiful idea. But here, if we took it this as an irregular flat pattern, yeah, market it will do like this also as per that expanding triangle. So A, B, C, D, E, and one more downside. So expecting this, I'm not in buy side, right? Expecting this zone, I will be in sell side if it reached above this. But sometimes, right, if we stick to the previous analysis, this is the one A. So whether this is the one, it's already got completion of that correction. So this kind of wave, whether this could be that A, B, and C is a W, X, A, B, C is a Y, somewhat if it's ended here itself, then this is in the downtrend. Because see, a lot of times we are keeping this as an 5-way structure in the downside. So lot of Elliotticians, including myself in the previous, this is the downtrend started. So in the 38.2 or 50 or 61.8 and 78.6, making this as a stop loss, market will do this one. So later onwards we will blame the Elliott. So 5 waves, it is already breached. What is doing? See, because this is the one expanded flat. Later onwards, only market, if it breaks the high, it will reach to that 1.72 or 74 or 76. So then this view is got valid. So A, B, C, D, E. So until that, no need to be in buy side, be in sell side. I will be very happy. That is why I didn't trade this one. I informed to my one of my friends and colleagues also, I'm not going to trade this one. If you need to take a trade, as per, if it comes nearby, you just making this as a stop loss, just sit. And if it is goes above, again you can sell here. If it is a stop triggered, don't worry, I'm looking for this one, because there is only two possibilities for me. Either it has come to the downside, or it has to bounce from here till this one and again can come to the downside. So this is the only one I'm having, and I already shown that the same pattern happened in the GBP AUD. Because if you are new, I will show you that also. The same pattern. Look at this. A, B, C, D, and E. So this is the one impulsive A. So the B is an expanded triangle. That is why I have explained. And what I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already reached the target below this one. What else you need? That's it. Don't do again the trade. That target, if it's got reached, just bank the amount. Don't trade here anything. If you are trading only in one, you need a confirmation. Again, if you need to take this trade. But if you are taking other trades also, means leave this one. But if you are looking for that another time, if you're looking for this one, market will do like this. It will be any other pattern also. So then we will keep on changing this. How? This is A, B. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will reach this zone. So you have to target this one as a positional, means just exit and don't trade, don't touch this again and again. Like that in Euro New Zealand all can happen. Right? My target is 5-2, but looking for that 5-2, but I need a complete pattern. Then only I will enter. Without that, without any strategy, don't. If you are looking for any buy or sell, if you need to trade, I won't like that. I need to confirm myself why I'm taking this trade, where I need to place a stop loss. If I'm not placing the stop loss, at least we know the destination. We need to know the destination. So then only we need to trade. Why we are trading? It's not for the hobby. Just need to earn money from this financial market. But the same thing I have several times I have explained, right? And again I'm giving the input here. Whether this is a 1, 2, 3 is a three-way structure. It could be anything. But if this is the A, B, C is the 1 is completed, 2, 3, 4, and 5, this is the end. Right? This is the 5-way structure, means this could this is the may be a stop loss, and we are looking for the downtrend. So no confirmation for me here. So next is what? US30. Yeah, that is also the beautiful one. Perfect trade. I have explained the last week, right? But I didn't done because I'm having a lot of currency pair. Look at this. What else you need? I love this Elliott wave. That is why I love this Elliott wave. Look at this. This is a five-way structure. One, two, three, four, five. Right? This is the A. This is the B and C. This is the one A. This is the B and C. What else? This is the one A. This is the B or C or W X Y. So one three-way structure is got completed, and I already mentioned this is the downward trend line, and it is almost reached and again failed, and it is already broken this anchor and everything. Everybody is looking for that sell. But what happening here? Look at this. This is the current market, right? It's a Friday today. Look at this. So the same thing in Nifty. Sorry, in the SGX Nifty. Look at this. I explained, right? This is the one, right? So whether it is going to shoot from here or from here, and if it reached that 15,500, again it can go high. But according to this global market, S&P 500, look at this. So it's already broke. So this is the A, this is the B and C. That's it, simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way structure, 3. And what else you need? Another 5-way structure. That's it. So another 5-way structure, my target is 4,150. Simple, right? So next we will move on to the Bitcoin. This is in the formation of this kind. So whether this ABC is already got completed. So if you are need to take and sell, make it this as a stop loss, looking for that sell. But if it trigger again, so what it will be? So this is the A, B, C is a W. So this is the X, again A, B, C, one more high is also possible. If it is not yet broken, this looking for this, making this as a stop loss, you will be, if you are in the sell side, looking for the target nearly 13,000 or 5-way structure. At least we can get this 5-way structure nearly that 15,000 also. So once it completed ABC is a A, it's a double zigzag, and this is the one, it's a correction part, and this is the one A, B, C, sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. This is the end, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth, and fifth way means this is the completion of that flat correction. This is the double zigzag, and this is the one connective wave. ABC is a triangle in between, and this is the one 5-way structure. So this is a flat correction. So I expected somewhat here also like this to reach this zone. I'm looking for that 58,000, but it never came. So this is the mark. If you're concentrating in one pair, you can make more money. And I informing to my mind also. I will just giving confidence. And as I said in the previous also, if once my target is already got reached, I will do only 3 pairs or 2 commodities. It's a gold or silver or US oil. That US oil is definitely will be there in my watch list for my to trading myself, and I won't trade all the pairs now once the target is got reached in the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, everything. Because I keep on watching, and I already given my input for the 5 to 6 years. I keep on watching that, because once it reached, if it is that is a dream, that is a one hug like that. If it reached, yeah, my analysis got achieved. That's a beautiful emotion, right, in your mind. Then you will get that, and then you love yourself. So that is why I'm eagerly waiting to reach the target of GBP, GU, AU, and NU. Once it got reached, I will trade only 2 currency pairs or 2 commodities like that. Energy one, it's a crude or gold or silver, and UJ or UCAD or EU like that only. I'm decided. So this is my path now. I want to kind of diversify all the money to the all the pairs. Even though, because why I diversify the money? This is because of the YouTube. Because I keep on watching everything and analyzing. So okay, we will diversify this 0.5, 0.25, or one standard lot size. So we can diversify mates. It's watching each and every pair has a different structure. and different pattern it is coming. See, New Zealand CAD is already got achieved, USD JPY is already got achieved the target. So still we are in Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, GU is not, and GU I won't trade, just only for the analysis. I'm strict to that. So like that, I will systemize my watch list also now onwards once it got reached. So let's wait for the next. What else? Uh, yeah, now we will move on to that copper. Look at this, right? This is W and this is the X. So ABC. That's it. That simple is coming closely to the downside. So where we need to enter, that's it. Simple. That is why if we looking for that target in US oil, it's almost achieved the target $90. But I'm not in that. If while I'm analyzing, it's very eager, right? So I diversify my fund and I will stuck with that. So diversify amount. See, this copper, it's a beautiful trade, right? What else you need? If you know that 3-4 is my achieved target, right? 3-6, I'm looking for 3-6. If it is come to the 3-6, now it is 3-2. We no need that, but 3-6 at least my target, right? Putting that just an stop loss here, enter here. It's very easy. That for me also, it's very easy to explain and analyzing. But the trading is entirely in the different mindset. It's entirely different. See now how we can change this one. It's a B, C is a A. So A, B, C is a B, and C. Still beyond that, if you keep sitting in this, looking for that 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, you never, never, never. You can't make it. We can just simply, if it market it's doing like this, later onwards we can calculate and we can do it in any count. But until that, if you keep on changing the wave chord, it's, see, we don't need that kind. Just simply A, B, C is a B, B, C is a B, and C. I already explained, right? Three-way structure. You just go through my all videos. I explained the three-way structure and it is already did. And this is the one C. We need this kind of C wave. That is the why I'm in UCAD. UCAD is in whether C wave or it is in that third wave. Didn't know, but that huge movement is ahead. That is why I keep on watching this UCAD and the NCAD also, because NCAD is in the weekly. Well, look at this. It is in that weekly low. It's a demand zone, and my target is already got achieved, right? And somewhat from here it can bounce, or at least the 9-2 is my target. According to the wave formation, I can again determine the I can project my target. Whether we don't know whether this is the one, I will show you that New Zealand CAD in my positional account. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5 is already got completed. A or W. So 1 W, X and Y is got achieved. We don't know whether this is the one it is going to shoot or what else I have did. I already see. I already did. So later onwards, what it will happen like this. So this is the one A, this is the one B, and one more C. So at least this one is guaranteed one for me. So looking for this. So what else? Copper is already dead. So now we can go for the US oil. It's also beautiful, wonderful trade. But I didn't done because expecting this, I looking for this one, this area to sell. But what happened? It's already reached. So that means the 4 is already did here, and 5th is already reached my target. So that means, look at this. This is the 1. This is the 2. This is the 3. This is the 4. And this is the 5. So what else you need, sir? What else you need? Now what we need to do? Look at for this 5-way structure. So at least 38.2 exactly. See, exactly here the previous fourth wave. So 103 first target. But if it is did the three-way structure, you have to exit your position. Don't keep the position in buy, because once the three-way structure is got completed, this could be the bigger one, bigger two, and then, and I already explained that in the sorry, one second. In UCAD, what I'm expecting is a bigger target of 1.38 or 1.4 also. So in that category, this is the one what we did as a B, C is a B, C is a B, and C. As per this, one simple correction is got completed. So whether this could be the flat correction, and we are expecting, sorry, see, we are expecting this one, because this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C, means we are looking for that W, X, and Z wave, right? What I have on second. Yeah, here my target is 72, or it could be here also, that's 63. But always there is a contrarian to your view. If you are looking for this in your buy side, if the simple correction is got completed at the 103 or 105, market will do like this. So then we will move on to the A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C wave is a 5-way structure, and we will blame ourselves. So if you are looking for this, market will do like this. So W, X, and there is a lot of opportunity. So either from here it is coming to the downside, or it is going to be a correcting wave, and one more ABC is a flat correction. But the destination is fixed now. But stop loss is the same. So 64 is our destination for this one. So next is silver. Why I am in the buy? Why I am in the buy? That's it. My analysis said. According to my analysis, I need to follow. So either this is A, B, C, one flat correction is not completed, one or two. A, B, C. If it is a diagonal pattern, this is a A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2, like that it can be, because this is the one here. Yeah. We don't know whether this is the one exponent flat, and one more low is also possible to break the previous of $11, or it is going to. That is why I have mentioned here. From here also it can go, or from here also at least it can reach up to 26, maybe or may not. But be cautious, because if this is the A, B, C is a 1, it's a bigger one, and in that, if it is reached here, I will exit my position in buy. Because one, as I said, informed in that crude oil, right? So A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is already got reached. Means if it is a W, this is a X, this is the A, this is the B, and C. So don't be in buy side, but for this one, this is the one I'm looking for. So I told you don't be in buy side, but I am in the buy side because I'm expecting this at least some. Here we can come to know what kind of wave formation it is doing. If it is doing aggressively in the 5-year structure, anything, at least from 21 to $22, we come to know how what is the formation. But if you miss this, right? If you miss this, expecting the bigger correction for that $10 as a target. But what I said, this is the A, this is the B, and C means this is the one A equal to A, B is equal to CD pattern, and from here it can shoot like this also to the target of where is my target? If you know that, my target near to break this one, $50. Because didn't know, it may or may not, I don't know. From here it is going to shoot, or it is going a little bit a corrective pattern, and then it is going to shoot, no idea. But silver, but how many years it took, no idea. But the target, the destination is fixed. But we need a clear pattern. And I already showed the last week, Bitcoin versus gold. You know that? You saw that? Just go through that. The same current pace in the Bitcoin, same like what I did the bar pattern for that USD and DXY. The same pattern happened in the gold, and it is now it is from the 68,000 or near, and it is now trading at 20,000. So no one knows what is that which is the high and which is the low, but the pattern says at least something. So whether this is the one ABC is a W, this is the X, again we need a ABC. So it may break this also, whether my target of 1400 if it is comes in the gold, so silver may reach the $10 and below. So let's wait for the turn. So what is the next is gold is the final, right? So it is almost it's a 1700. So the same pattern it is looking like here, and the same analysis. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. So I'm looking for the little diagonal pattern and the 5 structure is got completed. I don't know whether this is W, X, Y, X, Z. Anyway, any conditions I'm looking for the at least bounce for the 1860 to 1920. So this is, and I'm not sure about if it is going to be again it will break this one, or again it is going down means. See, as of now, this is A, B, C is a A. If we kept this as a A also, it's a B also, but here it is not the 5-way structure. There is some connecting wave here. The 5-way structure is split into the connecting wave, and again there is a 5-way structure. So I kept this as a W, X, Y also, and this is the one again X, and it is already broken this low. So we need to keep this as a W, X, and then again Z. So that means one correction is got completed, or it is a somewhat it is a leading diagonal triangle or that kind. So if we took this as a Fibonacci retracement for the from the top to the bottom, so at least 38.2 is 1840. So wait for that 61.8. The gold is almost, and Fibonacci retracement for that second wave, or it could be the B wave. The 61.8 is a golden ratio. So wait for this. That is the thing I need to tell. So hope you enjoyed, and I'm in out of session. That is why I'm early. I'm doing and just keep on updating, and I already updating this in the Friday. So have a nice weekend to everybody, and we will see you. If I found a time, I will do the next week. Otherwise, I can't, and I'm in busy schedule that I will inform you later onwards why I'm busy and what is going to do in the next. This is the one trading, right? And the one more business is there. So I started the new business also. It's keep running that. So I will inform you that on once it got finished and it is everything is getting ready. So thanks a lot. Have a nice, wonderful weekend. It's a Friday weekend, so starts. So thanks a lot. Have a nice, wonderful weekend again and again. So we will see you next week or the next 15 days. Bye. See you.